Multi-functions. Combined functions of tail, brake, turn signals, side marker, license plate light. Perfect for 12 volts DC vehicles with a maximum width of 80 inches. Such as most of trailers, boats, trucks, RV, marine, pickups, camper, tractors etc. Excellent brightness. Left lamp has 27 diodes including 9 diodes for license plate light, right lamp has 12 diodes. Quality LEDs draw less amperage but outputs optimal brightness, improving great visibility and extend longer lifetime than the incandescent lamp. Compliance to ensure your 100% safety. Entirely submersible. The inside LEDs and circuit board is fully waterproof, sealed to work underwater perfectly without electric short risk. The light housing also features water drainage for added protection. All-in-one kit. Comes with everything for your straightforward installation of the light, include lights, license plate bracket, 25 feet length trailer wiring harness and the different types of stainless steel mounting hardware. Easy installation. For light mounting, lamp with license plate light on the left side, the other on the right side. For wiring routing, please see picture 5 for instruction. For wiring connection, just color to color, white to the ground, vehicle frame. For hardware you might need to use, please see pic 8 for instruction. Fit type. Universal. Nilight low-profile submersible trailer light kit combination of tail lights, brake, turn signal light, side marker, license plate light for your safe driving. Light dimension. 8. 3 inches by 3.0 by 3.0, mounting distance, 2 inches mounting stud diameter, light mounting hole size, 0.23, wiring harness kit, 2 sets 4-pin trailer wiring harness, 21.65 feet plus 3. 93 feet wire connection, brown wire of both lights to vehicle's running lights wire, yellow wire of the left lamp to vehicle's left stop turn light wire. Green wire of the right lamp to vehicle's right stop turn light wire. White ground wire of both lights to the vehicle's frame lighting modes, running light, low brightness red tail light, red side marker light, white license plate light, brake turn signal lights. High brightness red brake, signal light package includes 2x trailer lights, 2x trailer harness kit, 1x license plate bracket, 1x hardware pack. Top reviews from the United States. They work great. They work good and they look good. What I like best about them is that they're bright but not blinding bright like some you see on the road. Highly recommend these.